Welcome to you, all of you, for the home remedies. Part of the home remedies today, we try to understand how to become, like you want to become wealthy person. You want to become rich, right? If you take that wish or desire within you, you want to become wealthy. That's the thing you want to achieve, isn't it? So in that case, what happens? You need to understand there is a wonderful mudra. Today we are trying to understand one of the mudra. One is the mudra therapy. Part of mudra therapy is a wonderful mudra which is called Kubera mudra, friends. So actually, the meaning of Kubera itself is a god of wealth. Try to understand. According to Indian mythology, Kubera is the god of the northeast. He is the treasure of Shiva. In fact, whatever the Shiva, near Shiva, whatever the treasure is there, he is the Adipati. He is the head of that treasure. So this mudra provides both wealth and courage, friends. Okay, you have to practice this Kubera mudra. What are the benefits? See, so many benefits are there. Before practicing, let's understand more benefits. It fulfills a desire or goal expressed as follows. If you say inside this particular goal, like this, like you have to say your wish or goal into the words and say it internally 3 times. So then press the fingers while you perform this mudra. So when you are performing this mudra, what you need to do is when you are telling this wish inside, internally, if you are telling yourself, right? So all this is a process I'm trying to say. When you are doing mudra, that point of time, you tell the wish what you want to become, how you want to get what you want to get it in your life. Just while telling that wish, and also press the fingers, give a little more pressure on your hand, that particular fingers, so then it will work. This wish will be working out because of this mudra. So puts more energy behind the future plans like buying a car, house, or finding a life partner. In all these instances, you can use this Kubera mudra, the help of Kubera mudra, my dear friends. And breathing upwards while performing this mudra helps to decongest the sinuses. Even if you feel like sinus congestion is there, if you while doing this mudra, you take the brief breath upwards in your side, in yourself. Take the breathing upwards. That means you just inhale, right? You do the inhalation, then doing this mudra. So like that, what happened? It will try to decongest the sinus also, which is blocked in this area. Okay. And visualize the goal or any desire while performing this mudra. While what happened? While practice this mudra, you must visualize what exactly you wanted, what exactly you want to achieve. Okay. So through this, definitely, friends. So wonderful mudra, Kubera mudra. So let's practice it. Okay, let's practice how to practice. I'll show you. So as per that, you also can practice at your home regularly every day, my dear friends. So this must be clean and no more nails will be there, right? Both hands must be clean. Okay. So now this is a thing. Now just observe how to do this mudra, Kubera mudra. So this first, the little finger and ring finger, both just gently touch the palm, wherever that gently touch the palm and press. Okay, little press. Try to press there. And other two, this finger, forefinger and middle finger, gently touch the tip of this thumb also, like together, like this. Now you see, this is the Kubera mudra, right? Kubera mudra here. Very simple. So by doing this, then keep on the thighs and then continue practicing. Okay. Now let me show you the mudra, how it looks. See here. The practice of mudra, Kubera mudra, observe here how to do. This mudra must be practiced twice a day, at least 30 minutes minimum you have to do. And after this, followed by Prana mudra. Prana mudra is very simple. So this is the way Prana mudra need to be done. This must be practiced for minimum 10 minutes. This is 30 minutes, that is 10 minutes. So that is the combination. If you do this, Kubera mudra will work definitely in a great manner. So it will provide us all the wealth, whatever we are looking for, whatever we are wishing for, my dear friends. So please follow this mudra, Kubera mudra. Okay, right, for everybody. So you want to get good marks, you want to, like whatever the wish you have, it has to fulfill the wish. In order to fulfill your wish, you want to achieve some good material things, you want to achieve a good life partner. So whatever you are wishing for, that wish, all the wishes will be fulfilled by doing this mudra consistently, my dear friends. Okay, right. So now what's pyramid? You know the pyramid, how the shape of the pyramid, everything here. Every day we are seeing. Today we are trying to understand 2 benefits of the pyramid. So friends, what are the two benefits of pyramid? One is astral travel, outer body experiences. Other one is Kundalini energy is activated. So as we all know, astral body experiences will be happen. So whenever we sit in the pyramid and do meditation, that's called pyramid meditation. Or when we lie down on, when you lie down and when you sleep also. So this astral body will go out. During the sleep, astral body anyway will go out for everybody. Of course, we are unconscious in that state, so we can't remember that. Okay, but our subconscious mind knows very well, but our conscious mind will not know anything what all the things we do during the course of our sleep. Okay, friends, if anybody is aware of that sleep also, my dear friends, so that is what that's called the great enlightenment. Even the person in the sleep also, is aware, can understand when he is sleeping, but still is aware of that, he's sleeping, the physical body is sleeping, is kept under the rest. So that much awareness one will get with the slowly doing sadhana of meditation. We will get, my dear friends. Okay. Now, this astral travel, outer body experiences is definitely going to happen. So your astral body will release because you get huge cosmic energy from the pyramid. So under the pyramid, you are doing meditation. So due to that high amount of cosmic energy, obviously you will get the so-called astral travel will happen, bound to happen, my dear friends, without doubt. Okay. So what only thing is we must practice more and more meditation under the pyramid, using the pyramid energy. It's very essential, my dear friends. Next, Kundalini energy is activated. So it's very much, Kundalini energy is there within us. Okay. Within us, it is there very much. All the cosmic energy, whatever we have, which flown into the physical body, right? So then we have highest amount of energy on the Kundalini energy, which is there part of us, which will also be activated. So by using the pyramid and pyramid power, by doing meditation under the pyramid. Okay. So these are the two highest spiritual benefits of the pyramid. So we try to understand. Please follow this and do more pyramid meditation. Pyramid meditation must be done. Okay. Right. Now, it's a part of home remedies for the mental health, my dear friends. So we will learn so few things here. The greatest happiness for parents is when children becomes righteous. When the children becomes righteous path, then that is the greatest happiness for the parents, my dear friends. So one of the most binding problems is the problem of debt. So for example, anybody who is in the debt, what will happen? That's the more botheration. That's highest botheration to that person particularly. So it is very definitely it is not good that any debt is there on every person, anybody, okay, for that matter. So we have to be away from the debt. The most intense of hungers is the hunger of knowledge, friends. What is the hunger on the Earth planet or anywhere in the cosmos? What is the greatest hunger? See, the physical food, if you give, you'll be happy that particular time or day. If you give clothes, you'll also be happy on that day. So, and he is satisfied and he will continue using it. But whenever the hunger for wisdom, hunger for the knowledge, it is never going to fulfill throughout your life and other thoughts, all the lives. Will be keep learning, my dear friends. We'll have that hunger always with us. That hungerness will be always with us, which will never be removed, which cannot be removed because that's our soul quality. We want to always enrich, life after life. We want to enrich. So that is soul quality. So how do we satisfy? We can't satisfy at any point of time. Okay. This is called the hunger of knowledge. The hunger of most, that is the intense hunger on this earth planet. God smiles when we are sharing the property, friends. See here, what God does is God will be smiling so at us by looking at that we are sharing the property. For example, brothers will be sharing the property and relatives will be sharing the property on the earth planet, isn't it? So when we are doing that, God will be smiling. The reason is He knows these people just for temporarily they are staying here. Any moment they have to come back to me. And then still you see them, you see their difficulties and they're fighting and the way they are trying to share the properties, share all the things, as if they are sharing the earth. Sharing the property means what? Earth. So earth is the one they are sharing between you. You take this, you take that, and this is yours, that is yours. Like they are dividing the land or they are dividing the property. At that point of time, God will be smiling within him. The reason he knows very clearly, after a few days, maybe after a few years, after a few months, everybody will come back to me, right? Why these people are like foolish people, and so they are they are people without any wisdom. So they are doing this kind of act, like they'll be smiling at us. Okay, so this is what a statement is given to you in order to make you to understand more. Okay, right. So okay, friends. So thank you very much for listening so patiently till now. And so once again, so thank you very much and namaste.